Today I'm taking you to a journey to experience the most expensive hotel in Mykonos, and that is Cavo Tagoo. So let's see what this hotel can offer and what we've been up to on this phenomenal trip. Just as a reference, guys, if you're coming here at Cavo Tagoo in Mykonos, get the room 623. As soon as you get in, you got this lovely view. Look at the details of the donkey. Look at this, the outdoor pool. Also, we have a bed on the pool that you can chill, get some tan while enjoying this wonderful view. We also have a dining table right next to the pool. Look how massive is the lounge. So this is all the lounge when you come from the pool inside. I'm gonna show you the bathroom now. And from the bathroom, you go straight into the bedroom. We have a hot tub or jacuzzi, whatever you wanna call it, and the bedroom. And then you have the view straight from the bedroom outside. The hotel also offers you a really good variety of shopping from all sorts of different designers. So in case you run out of clothes or you don't know what to wear or you need some more clothes, you have everything here. The interior looking absolutely beautiful with all the art that's going on around and the details, architecture. It's just gorgeous hotel. Good morning, everyone. Rise and shine. Another glorious, actually the first glorious morning here at Cavo Tagoo. It's just so peaceful. Just about to catch up with some work. As soon as I'm done with the work, I'm gonna go straight to the gym and then breakfast time. The good thing about Cavo Tagoo is that breakfast is served until 12 o'clock. Pretty good about that, because if you think you come here, you want to go on a night out to party, you're going to stay out late with friends, then you're not going to miss breakfast at 10:30 or 11 o'clock where the usual hotels, they serve the breakfast. Cool, let's get going. Work took longer than expected and I decided to come straight to breakfast, and then I'm going to go to the gym. So for breakfast I'm going for eggs royale. Here we are. To be honest, the breakfast selection here is pretty naughty. Everything from like pastry to fruits to cheeses to basically everything you want. Anything you fancy for breakfast you find at the breakfast buffet here at the bar downstairs next to the pool. Obviously the eggs royale wasn't enough, so we got some fruits, some nuts, great fat substitute. As we go into gym we need some energy.
And behind the camera, not on purpose, there was
Behind the camera there's some, what's this? Some cookie and some sort of cake or something. Delicious. I wanted to mention, guys, every time I travel, when it comes to my training session, as often I can't follow my London routine. So what I do, each place I go, I check out their training facilities, and then if they have what I need, then I follow my routine. Let's say during a week holiday, I probably train, I'd say 3 or 4 times maximum. So I always try to get more rest than training. I feel like I need to work on my cardio a little bit more on this vacation, so we decided to go for a run instead. There's a lot of hills here in Mykonos, so it's going to be a little bit more challenging, but I do love a challenge, so let's go for a run. Decided to run on flat. We found the dock / car park, so we're gonna do some rounds, laps here. I'm trying to hit 5k, but even if I do 3k, it's still enough. Right, let's get going. absolutely amazing, spectacular. And 3k, 3k on flat around the port because the roads are quite narrow, so you can't really run on them. Cool, 3k, it's good enough, feels good, feels great. Ready for the day, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, this evening outfit. I actually just been shooting this shoot earlier with the videographer slash photographer from here, from the hotel. And let me give you a closer look. Here we are. One of my suits, Hajduk London. Hajduk London, that's how you pronounce it. Here we are, let me know what you think. And this loafers is actually the same as like the other night. These are Russell and Bromley. The other night actually I wore full black, but then I changed last minute because I don't know, I just felt like I didn't want to wear full black yesterday. So yep, here we are. Hope you enjoy this. Now it's time to get some dinner because I'm absolutely starving. I had some massive issues earlier on with the drone that I didn't realize there's no flight restriction, and I actually managed to get in air and it auto-landed by itself, and I thought it's going to go in the water, and if that happened I would have lost all the content from this one as well, all the content I made the past couple of days, because I actually used this memory card. Luckily it didn't land in the water and I managed to put it on the ground, but I had to run like a mile away to grab it and bring it back to the hotel. Then had another shower, got ready quick, and I'm actually ready now the second time. So here we are. Oh, let's go get some dinner. Dinner has arrived, ladies and gents, and I actually went for the same cocktail as yesterday, which is called Amber. The picante one. Cheers. Boom. It's like some crispy prawn or something like that. And of course, the chicken skewers. For main, we decided to go prawn tagliatelle. Wow. That is so good. That sauce makes such a big difference. Great choice, by the way. Officially done with the dinner, and we moved it ourselves by the pool to enjoy our last cocktail. Check out the view. Good morning, my wonderful community of legends. Today we're going to take you to town. We're going to be exploring some shops. We're going to be showing you around. How's Mykonos Old Town looking like? We are in the old port of Mykonos right now. You can see from up here, all this area, and then that's where we're gonna go, also that side. Trying to find this sandal shop. So last time I been here, found this sandal shop and they were doing handmade sandals, which actually I'm wearing them now. Let me show you. Leather, really comfortable. I put the location in a map, but every time I try to go to the location, it seems like the shop is not there. So I think the map, it doesn't show the right location. Guys, if you're into fashion, this is one of the streets I always, every time I came to Mykonos, I always show a lot of fashion right on this street, this balcony, which I'm not sure if someone lives here or not, but I was just doing my thing, taking fashion shots. And also, if you walk all the way up here, look how nice it is. Let me show you. So you got this alleyway that goes all the way up. You got this part here, and then if you turn around, you got this part here, this corner, which is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. You should just stay in the door with a coffee in a hand, pretending sipping coffee, or actually sipping coffee, and yeah, just take your fashion content. Right, off we go to the next location, exploring some more shops. Also guys, this place in the evening is a vibe. So it's called Scandinavian Bar, and everywhere around here there's a lot of tables, there's disco up there. This is still part of them, the bar, and it's a proper vibe. So if you're with a group of people, it's always to come and check the Scandinavian Bar. Right, here we are trying to find that shop to get my sandals. It's called Tia Handmade. So we're following the Google Maps right now, and then hopefully we'll find this occasion. Tia Handmade Sandals closed down, but we find a guy who actually took us to a different shop that actually sells her sandals. Not many, they still go a few, and there's still a few that I like. So let's see if they have my size, because they don't have many sizes left. I quite like the look of these ones, so if they have that in my size, that would be amazing. Also, they have more alternative, and I quite like the look of their ones as well. So we'll see if they have my size. Oh, there we are. That's a 43, right?
It's 43.
That's a 43. I'm actually a 42. Let's see. Oh, it's actually not bad.
Let me show you.
What do you think of this, Amber? I think the fit is good.
If you can see here.
Oh yeah.
Turn on.
Maybe more.
Oh, sorry.
Maybe more up. Oh yeah, that's
Let me
it.
see the back. They're the right size.
Yeah.
Actually
Yeah, I think it's good.
the size.
Yeah.
They're cool. I do like them.
Yeah. How much you selling this for?
35. From 90, 35.
Sorry?
From 90 to 35.
Oh, because it's the summer, yeah.
Sizes left.
Okay, yeah. Well, let's see what other sizes you have. Maybe we'll get some more.
Do you have these ones?
Yeah, I quite like. What size is that?
You want 43, yes?
42 or
42, I don't
43?
have.
Oh, 43, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna try these ones as well. Let's see the brown. Okay, yeah. Let's see what she have. But I like both. Wow, that's a really good discount. Okay, guys, here's the decision. The only size they've got in my size is this one and this one, and I actually decided to get them both. Quite like the look of them. And then these are my old ones I got 2 years ago, and then they age quite nice as well. So handmade from Tia. If you come to Mykonos, look for the shop. Even though that is closed, there's a shop right next to it that they still sell them.
Thanks a lot.
This
I think here is.
excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's happy days. From 90 euros a pair of sandals, they were discounted to 35 euros. That's a bargain. My legs are killing me right now. Finally got to sit down, got my espresso, got my cold ice sparkling water. Great. Like it's so hot today. We've been walking. How many steps we done? What's your watch saying? Woo! That was good. Sad times, guys. Sad times, because this trip now is coming to an end. It's been really good to experience this wonderful hotel and to enjoy ourselves. But now we are going back to London, leaving very soon. We wrap it up with a really nice breakfast this morning, a breakfast feast, let's call it like that. But thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy, please do comment below. That's exactly what I'm gonna say. Comment below to let me know what else you want to see next on my YouTube channel, and of course we'll create that for you guys. Until then, see you next time.